everybody, it's Claire with another arts and crafts activity. This is one we were working on right before we got out for spring break. Recycled t-shirt bags. Let's get to it. Some of you may be doing some extra cleaning around the house and have some old shirts that you don't want anymore. This is a good use of those old shirts. Make sure you talk to a grown-up and find out which ones are up for recycling. You'll also need scissors and a Sharpie. You want to cut a little bit off the bottom just so you don't have that hemmed edge. Depending on how long your shirt is, you can cut more or less off, depending on how deep you want your bag to be. Then you want to cut the arms off the shirt and make a deeper neckline. This will make the handles for your bag. When you cut the neckline out, just make sure that you leave those handles about 1 inch to 2 inches wide. Then we're going to cut our strips along the bottom of the shirt. You want them to be about 3 inches long enough to comfortably make a double knot. And make sure that you cut on the fold on the edge of the shirt so that you have pairs all the way across. Now we're going to turn our shirt inside out so that the fringe is hidden when we're finished. If you want that fringe to show, you can go ahead and do your ties with the shirt right side out. Find a pair at one of the edges and then give it a nice strong double knot. And then working your way down the rest of the shirt, just find pairs across. Make sure you're not skipping any, otherwise you'll come up with an uneven number at the end, and just make double knots all the way down the shirt. If you want a little extra security to make sure nothing has any chance of falling out the little holes in the bottom of the bag, you can tie the strips to the strips from the adjacent knot. I didn't feel that I needed to do this all the way across because the holes are pretty small and I'm not going to be carrying anything super tiny in my bag. Then we can just turn it right side out. Put all your supplies inside and you've got yourself a nice bag. Have fun!